Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. Here under this playlist guys, we will only able to see latest Power BI updates. And on Feb 2023 guys, Microsoft has introduced one latest Power BI feature. And this update is related to guys, conditional formatting. So before understand this update guys, I will give you briefing about conditional formatting. So let's go to this report page guys, where I have created small report, and here under this table visual guys, I have taken regions, country, states and sum of sales. Let's suppose guys, I want to change the color of these values. So let's click on this table visual, and here you guys can see all the fields. Now if I do right click here, so here you guys can see the option of conditional formatting, and here we have various kind of conditional formatting like background color, font color, data bars, icons, web URL, that's it. So here in this tutorial guys, I will only update background color. Rest features you need to explore yourself. And let's suppose guys, if we want to apply any custom rule here. So here we can see guys, the lowest value color is sky blue and the highest value color is green. So if you want to change the custom color from here, so you simply need to click this drop down and you can change the color accordingly. Let's say the lowest value color is red and the highest value color is green. And if you want to add any middle value guys, so you need to simply click this small checkbox and add the middle value color from here. Let's say yellow and click OK. And here you guys can see, once I applied conditional formatting here, the lowest value color is red and the middle value color is yellow and the last is highest value color is green. So in this way guys, you can apply basic conditional formatting, and with the help of measure guys, you guys can also create dynamic conditional formatting. So for conditional formatting guys, I will make separate video. So here under this playlist guys, we can only see the updates. And now let's go to the old version of Power BI. So let me click on the old version, and here under this version guys, you guys can see here is no option of summary. We can only apply conditional formatting on values. But here in new updates guys, we can also apply conditional formatting on strings, which is text. So this is the latest version guys, which I have created a report. So let's suppose guys, if I want to apply conditional formatting on strings, so what we need to do guys, you need to simply click on this visual, and from here guys, you can select the fields where you want to apply conditional formatting. So this time guys, I will apply conditional formatting on regions. So what I need to do, I will go here and do right click, and here you guys can see the option which is conditional formatting, and click here on background color. And after the new updates guys, you guys can see this summarize option. But in the previous version guys, you guys will not able to see this summarize option. You guys can see here. So firstly guys, you need to uninstall your Power BI from your machine, and after that you need to download and install it again. So let's go to the new version of Power BI, and let's suppose guys, I want to change the color of string, which is region. So I want to change the color of this north region. So I will simply write my text here, which is north, and this is case sensitive guys, so you need to type carefully. So my condition is wherever the north is written, so the color should be red, and click OK. So here we guys can see wherever the north is written, the color is light red, which is pink. So in this way guys, you can apply conditional formatting on any string here. And this is the latest update of Power BI of 2023 Feb. So if you guys want to add more colors, so you guys can easily do that. Simply go here on region tab and do right click, and go here on conditional formatting, and simply click here on new rule. So this time I will change the custom color of region east. So I will simply type east here, and this time I will take this yellow color and click OK. So here we guys can see our condition formatting has applied. Wherever the east is written, it returning as yellow color. So I hope guys now you are clear with the update of conditional formatting. We can also apply on string after the updates. And now guys, we have one more update in Power BI, which is enhanced row level security. So if you guys are not aware about row level security, so I would request please go and watch my previous videos. Under Power BI full course tutorial guys, I have explained row level security in detail. So firstly guys, you need to update your Power BI desktop. And once you update guys, so you need to simply go here on File section. And under File section guys, you need to go here on Option and Settings. And after that guys, you need to click on this gear button which is Options. And then you need to go here on Preview Features. And here you guys can see the option which is Enhance Row Level Security Editor. So you need to click this checkbox button. And after that you need to click on OK. And let's suppose guys, I want to apply row level security on the basis of country as well as states. So after the updates guys, we can use row level security on the basis of countries as well as state. Earlier guys, we can only apply row level security on the basis of single column. So what we need to do guys, you simply need to go here on Modeling tab and click here on Manage Roles to create new row level security. So firstly I will go here and click here on New to create a role. So I will do right click here and create my role which is Australia and Sydney. So I want to restrict the data on the basis of Australia and state is Sydney. And now I will take this right click. So here we guys can see it is updated which is Australia and Sydney. And now I will assign the role. So firstly I will need to go here on Add. And from here guys, you need to select your column name. So my column name is Country. So if you have other column name, you guys can also select from here. So this time my column name is Country and my country is Australia. And this is case sensitive guys, so you need to keep in mind while typing. And now I will add one more role. So simply I will click here on Add button and this time my column name is States. So I will simply select states from here and my state is Sydney. And now I will check both the checkbox and click here on Group. So here we guys can see we have created a group of Australia and Sydney. And this Sydney is case sensitive guys. In Sydney guys, here S is in caps. And click on Save button. So here we guys can see successfully applied role changes and click on Save button. And close it. And now let's check the roles. So you simply need to go here on View As and click here on Australia and Sydney, the role which we have created, and click OK. So see guys, our whole report is filtered with only Australia and Sydney. And if we go to the data set and let's cross check. So see guys, we have only bread is sold on North region in Australia which is Sydney. So in this way guys, you guys can also apply row level security. So explore more about both the updated feature. So I hope guys now you are cleared with the updates. And those who are new to this channel, please kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorial guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And stay connected with us for these kind of updates. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. So you don't need to pay anything for anyone for jobs and training. But if you still think you require paid training sessions guys, so I'm also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day one class guys, I prepare for you interview rounds and advanced scenarios. So you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can connect me there. And for the free learners guys, we have this free YouTube channel. So thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Thank you so much.